Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Maisarah Binti Ahmad. In this video, my group members and I will present our business plan. But first, I will introduce to you my group members.
Hi, my name is Nurul Farzana Binti Anuar.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fachrunnisa binti Mohd Fadzil.
Hi, my name is Hasha binti Azmi.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Iftitah Sabrina.
Hi, my name is Afiqah Rakinah binti Ruslee.
Hi, I will explain about our company background. The name of our company is Arte Creative. Arte Creative is a company that provides education and training in arts for the autisms. This company was established on 28 January 2022, located in Ampang, Kuala Lumpur. The form of entity of our company is partnership. The Arte Creative provides services in educating the autisms with art and let them exercising with the real equipment, and in conjunction with their production of the handicrafts, it will be sold to the society. The vision of our company is to be the first company that build art skill in youth with autisms. So, we have 3 missions. First, educate and train the youth with autisms until they master the art skill. Second, the handicraft of the autisms can be commercialized. Third, to help autistic youth become entrepreneurs. So, our logo consists of paintbrush and watercolors, because it symbolizes our main business activity, which is painting.
Hello, I will explain the next part, which is the problem. It seems that the majority of the young adult autistic people have no career options. Most Malaysia's companies, as well as those in the other country, have refused to hire a member of this group. According to the article, over 85% of autistic adults are unemployed. It shows the large number who are unemployed, which impact negative influence on their future. Furthermore, autistic adults are not exposed to a bright future. The majority of Malaysians believe that the autism person do not have a chance to be successful. However, the assumption is incorrect since some of them possess a creative aptitude that we were unaware of. Moreover, in Malaysia, the school provision for the autistic children terminate at the age of 21st. After that, these people will have to depend on themselves. In addition, the autistic school is located in the specialized area where just a few centers are available in each state. It will be a difficulty for the family who live in the countryside. This type of family does not have the opportunity to send their children to a school service for autism in order to gain knowledge and experience. As a result, we give a solution for this autistic person to obtain experience by hiring them. We have made some research that most of the autistic are more interested to art and craft activities. Therefore, our company is art painting shop that sells handcraft paint graphic items made by the autistic adult. First of all, what is value proposition of our company? We sell paint graphic on a stationery things such as bag, pencil case, and books. All of paint graphic products are all handmade items made by the other autistic people. This stationery item we get from supplier, and the autistic adult will design paint graphic on that. One primary reason we decided to start the art paint graphic shop by autistic adult is to assist them emphasize their ability and become successful person in the future. Moreover, most autistic individuals shows a strong interest in drawing or painting. As a result, the autistic employee will be given the opportunity to create handcraft in their own unique style in order to discover their hidden skills. This can indirectly expose them to the job experience and provide them some training to help them more independent. The autistic employee will be paid a set wage for their effort in selling the handcraft paint graphics. They are able to earn money for their survival as a result of this. Aside from that, some of the trade profit will be donated to an autistic childcare center. From that, our company practices the community social responsibilities.
Moving on to the opportunities and target market. Before I forgot to mention, we have decided that our business target community is autistic people at the age of 17 to 25. So here are the business opportunities. First is we help to build a job career for autistic people. In this company, we present and enhance the skills and talents in autistic people and make use out of it to gain profit. Basically, we help the autistic to run the business and the autistic will be given salaries. Second is autism awareness and exposure to the public. Our main intention was to change the negative perspective of the public on how autistic people will be a burden and completely dependent on their family. We are spreading awareness to the public for them to appreciate more the talent in autistic people. Also, it is an exposure to the public on how they can socialize with autistic people. Next is creating a new competing field for entrepreneurs. Encourage entrepreneurs to invest in autism society since there aren't yet many companies that are entering this field where they hire autistic people to work. Furthermore, our business increases the local made product. We will buy semi-finished products from the supplier that is based in Malaysia and autistic workers will finish it up by decorating the semi-finished product to become an end product and sell it to the customer. Last but not least, recycled product helps to improve the environment. Our product is 100% reusable and sustainable. We encourage our customer to stop using plastic bag. Instead, use our tote bag or other product for grocery shopping or shopping to reduce the usage of plastic bag. Therefore, we could help to reduce the pollution of the plastic bag. These are the target market for our business. Since we sell stationery's product, our first target market is school student and university student, and second target market is the office people, and lastly, the Federal Territory resident, since our shop is located at Kuala Lumpur.
Competitive advantage for Arte Company. Focus on one task only, which is painting, and looking forward to making various types of our product in the future. Because our company is allowed to employ autism people, the advantage of our company is having professional supervisor to monitor them from time to time and spread awareness about the autism people. Next, our products have their own uniqueness because each of the products have a different touch of their paintings. By that, we could say our product is exclusive and different from other products in the market. Also, autism employees are being paid by monthly payments for them to make a living, and some of the profits from the product is going to be donated to the Autism Care Center. Lastly, conducive workplace for them to make art. Also, our competitive advantage for them to make the best piece of their art. How we will compete? First thing we are going to do to promote our product on well-known online apps such as Shopee, Zalora, Lazada, our own website, and others, to make sure the outcome of the products are made 100% by them with love and uniqueness of their own creativity. Next, we are going to make a pattern on each of the design to secure it from being stolen by others. Lastly, to make a trademark and copyrights to appreciate their hard work in serving our company.
Hi, I will present about marketing strategy. We are using the 4P formula, that is product, price, place, and promotion. I will explain about the product first. Our shop, Arte Creative, will produce art designs created by autistic employees on tote bags, notebooks, and pencil cases. For the price, we have 3 types of stationery that will be sold in our shop, which are tote bags RM35 per each, pencil case is RM25 per each, and notebook is RM20 per each. However, we already planned that our shop will provide 300 of stationery per month. Next, Arte Creative has decided to open at Bandar Damai Perdana Ampang 56000 Kuala Lumpur. Last but not least, for the promotion, since we will do in a small shop at Bandar Damai Perdana Kuala Lumpur, so to make it easier for our lovely customers, we have already opened the website, Facebook page, Zalora, Shopee, and Lazada to promote the art design from our shop Arte Creative. Therefore, we have two ways, namely online purchase and face-to-face purchase for those who want to buy the art design by autism employees who work at Arte Creative to help them to further hone their talents. Since our shop opens from 10 a.m. till 6 p.m., it will be easier for people to come by face-to-face and without logging the page. It means if they do purchase online, this can eliminate the risk of purchase being interrupted during checkout due to slow site loads, because our shop complies with SOP instructions. We have set a limit that only 6 customers can enter the Arte Creative shop, and the rest have to wait their turn. In fact, shops that can do the purchase online directly on our Facebook page and other will drive 2 times more sales and free sign-ups on average than shops that redirect to a purchase page. The third promotion is giving a discount to customers. Since our shop has just started operating, by giving them a 2 ringgit discount voucher for each item to the first 50 customers, so that they will buy the stationery online faster. Therefore, we don't have to worry if we don't get a response. This is because most likely we'll get 50 customers in a short time because they want to get a cheap price. Next, I will present the sales process. We have 7 steps. First, prospect. The result of this art to give autistic people the ability to make money by using their own skills and further hone their talents. Second, lead qualification. Students and parents of kids will buy it, since it is one of the daily items in school. Third, company research. We will find current customers similar to the prospect, so that our customers who are also disabled will be interested to participate in honing their talents at the Arte Creative shop. Fourth, pitch. I will be a saleswoman that will give a speech in order to persuade customers to buy the stationery. Fifth, objection handling, which is to stay focused on what the buyer is saying and the business problem we are helping to solve. Sixth, close, when the items are already in the target, which is 300 stationery per month. Seventh, nurturing, creating a greater need for buyers to purchase stationery art products from the disabled person, and creating a greater need for well-crafted lead nurturing programs.
Hi, I will be presenting about the financial projection for Arte Creative. For profitability, Arte Creative will begin to make a profit in the year 2022. In the first year of Arte Creative operation, we estimate that we will make a profit of up to Rm 179,000, and it will continuously increase after 5 years. We anticipate that people will recognize our company because Arte Creative is very unique compared to other companies, as we are providing products that are hand-painted by our artistic employees. And we hope that in the future, people will realize that autism is no barrier to creativity. Arte Creative will need a total of Rm 108,249 capital to run this company, which is Rm 8,249 comes from a bank loan, and the rest of it coming from the share capital that will contribute from the members. Arte Creative requires this amount of money to stay in operation. Arte Creative will reach cash flow break-even at a point when the total fixed and variable expenses are equal to the sales revenue. It was the first step for our business to become profitable. In this case, we estimate for Arte Creative cash flow break-even will be in the year 2022, which is the first year where all the costs are covered because we expect an increase in sales and profit.
Now moving on to the project milestones. Number 1, business registration on 1st June 2021. Number 2, incorporation of venture on 1st July 2021. And then finding business premise on 15 July 2021. Number 4, preparing office and operation space on 25 July 2021. Number 5, finding the participants by promoting on 1st November 2021. Then searching supplier for materials and equipment on 1st December 2021. And then order material and equipment for operation on 10 December 2021. Number 8, registration of the participants on 20 January 2022. And lastly, starting the operation on 28 January 2022.
Financial sort. This financial sort is divided into two parts, which are loan and capital. Start with capital. Our company have 5 partner members, which are Iftitah Sabrina Binti Hamzah, Farzana Binti Anuar, Fachrunnisa, Afiqah Rakinah Binti Ruslee, and last but not least, Hasha Binti Azmi. And each of the members contribute 20,000 in this business. Move to the next part, which is a loan. Our company is going to have a loan from the CIMB Bank amounting to 8,249 with 5% interest. Also 5 years of repayment period. If we total up both, the financial amount is going to be 108,249 ringgit to finance expenses in our company. That amount are going to spend on renovations of the company, raw material, office equipment, payment for utilities, and others.
Conclusion. Arte Creative will make art designs, so we will buy stationery items like bags, books, pencil cases, and others. Then, we will teach autism workers by giving tutorials on how to design neat and tidy. This is to give them pride in the results of their creativity and be able to generate income on their own efforts. So, Arte Creative has given them the opportunity to produce their own art designs every Monday to Friday. While on weekends, we will train them by holding training programs to hone their talents. However, from the proceeds of the sale, the profits we receive will be divided to pay for the capital and their salaries. Then, the rest we will donate to an autism charity.
That's all from us. Thank you.